Hello, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore English words to help you expand your vocabulary and confidence in using them. I'm Alex, and today's word is announcement. Announcement is a B1 level noun that refers to a public or official statement that shares news or information. It's a very common word and can be used in many situations, so let's dive in. Let's start with a clear definition. An announcement is a formal way to share something important, whether it's good news, bad news, or just something people need to know. For example, a company might make an announcement about a new product launch, or a school might share an announcement about upcoming holidays. Now, let's talk about some synonyms for announcement. Words like declaration, statement, and proclamation are often used in similar ways. For example, the president made a declaration about the new policy. Or, the teacher's statement explained the changes to the schedule. These words all convey the idea of sharing news, though some, like proclamation, can sound more formal or official. On the other hand, let's explore antonyms for announcement, which include words like silence, secrecy, and concealment. These are used when no news is shared or when information is kept hidden. For instance, the company chose silence instead of addressing the rumors. Or, his secrecy about the project made everyone curious. In everyday life, we encounter announcements all the time. For example, at the airport, you might hear, "Attention passengers, there's an announcement about a delayed flight." At work, your boss might say, "We have an important announcement to make at today's meeting." Even on social media, people make announcements when they share big moments, like getting a new job or having a baby. Here are a few sentences using announcement to help you get a feel for the word. The principal's announcement about the new school rules surprised everyone. A public announcement was made to warn residents about the storm. The couple made an exciting announcement about their engagement. Try using announcement in your own sentences, like sharing news with friends or imagining a public speaker making an important announcement. That wraps up our discussion on announcement. It's a powerful word that helps us communicate important information clearly and effectively. Thank you so much for listening to Hello Word. Don't forget to subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show, and we'd love to hear your thoughts. Why not try creating your own sentence with announcement and share it in the comments? I'm Alex, and I'll see you next time on Hello Word.